Looking to create a magical ambience for your garden, patio, or holiday decor? Solar fairy lights are the ultimate solution. Powered by renewable solar energy, these eco-friendly lights combine elegance with sustainability, ensuring your spaces glow beautifully without adding to your electricity bill. Whether it's for festive occasions, weddings, or simply sprucing up your backyard, solar fairy lights are versatile and charming. These lights are designed for durability and convenience. With weatherproof features, they can withstand rain, snow, or heat, making them perfect for year-round use. Equipped with auto-on and off sensors, they charge during the day and illuminate your space at dusk, offering hassle-free functionality. Plus, with multiple lighting modes, from steady glow to twinkling effects, you can create the perfect vibe for any occasion. Imagine your garden wrapped in a warm, twinkling embrace or your patio transformed into a serene retreat. Solar fairy lights make all this possible while being environmentally conscious. Want to explore more creative ways to use these enchanting lights? Check out our video for tips and tricks. Ready to elevate your decor? Click the Amazon link below to grab your solar fairy lights today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more top-notch product reviews and recommendations. Let's light up your world, one solar-powered sparkle at a time.